Breaking news: Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin challenges the status quo, questioning the focus on Layer 1 over Layer 2 solutions. Is he crashing Bitcoin for Ethereum? Join us as we unravel Buterin's insights in an ongoing debate on scaling blockchain networks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. And as always, we're starting with some great Bitcoin news. European Central Bank claims Bitcoin has failed on its promise and that the ETF is approved. Meanwhile, the euro is down 99% versus Bitcoin. Big breaking news, big blow to SEC. Top SEC crypto lawyer Ladon Stewart leaves to join pro-Bitcoin firm. Just in, the Bitcoin network has now been online without incident for 4,000 consecutive days, 600,000 blocks mined, 8.7 million Bitcoins issued, running 24/7 for over a decade, 100% uptime. Next up, breaking news. Yesterday's official spot Bitcoin ETF net flow was minus $35,600, so this is the outflow of $35.6 million. Breaking Bitcoin cycle comparison versus 58 days until the halving, and here we could see what happened before, and here we could see how it is about to happen in the near future. The next one for today. So let me get this straight. The same people saying Bitcoin is volatile, a Ponzi, a useless, and has no value are all waiting around for one old dude on the planet to determine the price of money and one company with a 95 PE ratio to determine the price of their entire market. Bitcoin bull flag formation targeted 61,000. Bitcoin is retesting 10K at the moment, as each time it hits the 50,700 level it's bought back. Look at the candle wicks. As long as 10K holds, the potential bull flag formation is likely to play out. If it were to break to the downside, next support would be key June at the currently approximately 47,300. Bitcoin also high is multiple countries, as extremely bearish for every fiat currency around. People don't truly understand what absolute scarcity is, as the longer you save fiat, the more expensive life gets. The longer you save in Bitcoin, the cheaper life gets. Unlimited monetary supply versus actual monetary scarcity. Bitcoin does not require authorization to innovate, as it is a global phenomenon that ought to be explored by the less fortunate, and it is extremely early. People have no idea what is happening right now. Put your Bitcoin in a cold storage now, and you should get it on your cold storage extremely fast, as you will save your money. Why is Wall Street interested in Bitcoin all of a sudden? Because nobody on earth thinks the US government can satisfy this amount of indebtedness, and defaulting is not an option. Inflation is in their only way out, and Bitcoin is the hardest asset and the fastest horse. Bitcoin has never been this bullish. For the first time ever, Bitcoin is deviating from the 4-year cycle by closing a weekly candle above the 0.618 level before the halving event. The best part about this deviation is its bullish one, with the rise in demand among institutional investors and the supply on exchanges. Coinbase at its lowest point since 2015. One word, this is bullish. Bitcoin's base layer already processes almost double the transactions of its largest indirect competitor, the US Federal Reserve Bank's Fedwire. Fraud and manipulations are a much bigger problem for fiat currencies, which accounts for more than 99% of all the global illicit trade and on whose supply is manipulated at will by central banks, generating inflation that harms billions of people worldwide. Are you falling behind? A spreading fiat will do no good. So, Ethereum's Buterin challenges assumptions on the Layer 1 and Layer 2 dynamics. Buterin doubts Layer 1 and Layer 2 trade-off, citing bug uncertainties. Ethereum creator promotes advanced Layer 1 features for simpler Layer 2. Oracle trees in Ethereum promise disk space efficiency. Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, has voiced his reservations regarding the prioritization of simplifying Layer 1 blockchain networks at the expense of Layer 2 solutions. Buterin's remarks come amidst ongoing discussions within the blockchain community about the optimal approach to scaling and enhancing blockchain networks. So Buterin's shift is in confidence. Buterin highlights a significant shift in his perspective, indicating that he is now 3 times less confident in the idea of simplifying Layer 1s to facilitate more complex Layer 2s compared to 5 years ago, as he emphasized the inherent challenge in comparing the risks associated with the bugs in Layer 1 versus Layer 2 networks, suggesting that it is not unequally clear that Layer 2 solutions are superior. Balancing bug risks. The Ethereum creator underscored the potential consequences of bugs in Layer 2 network, noting that they could result in permanent loss of funds for users, as in contrast he portrayed the resilience of Layer 1 network in the face of consensus failures, wherein core developers can swiftly address issues and restore normalcy. As this juxtaposition led Buterin to advocate for considering sophisticated Layer 1 features to alleviate the burden of Layer 2 and enable their simplicity. Dialogue on scaling solutions. The conversation ensued from a remark by Bitcoin enthusiast Leo Fernavak, who asserted that scaling efforts should primarily focus on Layer 2 solutions rather than Layer 1, as Fernavak argued that complex functionalities could be implemented atop Layer 2 networks, irrespective of the scaling endeavors pursued at the base layer. And Brian Trolls, a technical editor at the Bitcoin magazine, contributed to the discourse by emphasizing the dependency of Layer 2 solutions on the capabilities of Layer 1 networks. And integration of vertical trees. Amidst the discussion on scaling solutions, Buterin enthusiasm for the integration of vertical trees in the Ethereum network emerged, as vertical trees heralded for their potential to optimize disk space, utilization for nodes, and deliver substantial staking benefits, represent a promising avenue for enhancing Ethereum's infrastructure. XRP hits a new lows against Ethereum. What's behind the downturn? So the token associated with Ripple XRP witnessed an astonishing surge in September 2018, thereby outperforming Ethereum to become the world's second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. As back in 2018, XRP market cap amounted at 22.2 billion, however it surpassed Ethereum, whose market cap stood at 22.1 billion for a short while. And according to reports now, Ethereum has market capitalization of 361 billion, whereas XRP is still at 30 billion. Just as before, Bitcoin remains the leading cryptocurrency by market cap, while Ethereum upholds its spot as the second largest digital money. And within the crypto community, there have been numerous conspiracy theories generated due to the underperformance of XRP against Ethereum, and in other words, some advocates of Ripple say the SEC may be biased towards Ethereum and hence granted in a fee-free pass, but chose otherwise for XRP. And looking at the other cryptocurrencies, we still know that Bitcoin is superior. Even though they are fighting hard to beat the Bitcoin for the first spot, there's no one who could literally beat Bitcoin at this point, and Bitcoin is just as massive as gold, and it always will be. And you need to understand these basics of investing before starting to invest. That's all the information we got on today's video on the Bitcoin, and if you're interested in more, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.